Hello guys, it's Glenn here, Southwest Kayak Fishing. As many of you guys know, I haven't really posted anything on my channel for quite some time, period. Several years ago, I had knee replacement surgery. It kind of set me back a little bit, but got quite a bit of my strength back and lots of endurance, and I've been working on my cardio quite a bit on the treadmill and bicycle. Mostly the stationary bike. So also I had an issue with my iPad, and that kind of really sucked because I had lots of footage that I've been meaning to post up. Well, that's been replaced, so hopefully I could get something going on here. You know, I got lots of videos that I plan on putting out. I think I'm going to start with the latest first and go back in time. Also, there are several clips and movies I'd like to make that happened when I was visiting my brother in Florida. Lots of good fishing, lots of fun, and I plan on going back there this spring to film some more. So hopefully, you know, I could breathe a little bit of life back into the channel and put out some new videos for this season that's coming up. Guys, stick with me, share, like, subscribe, and always appreciate what you guys do and all the support you guys have given me. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Take care now. Bye.